Let's go over how to charge for travel time. First, you'll come to your dashboard, and if you're adding this to an existing service, you'll find the service you'd like to add this to and select the three little dots and click Edit. If you are adding a new service with travel time, you'll click Add New, go through the process of adding a new service, and add the travel time at the specific spot. For our purposes, we'll be using this specific in-person service that's already existing, so we'll click the three little dots and select Edit. From here on the left-hand side, we'll select Location, and here you'll see two options, the My Service Location and the Willing to Travel. My Service Location is if your clients are coming to you. Willing to Travel is if you are traveling to your clients. When you select Willing to Travel, a couple of options appear. You can type in your travel distance in miles, or you can put a from address to enter the starting location you'll be traveling from. By default, this address is not public. If you'd like to make it public, you can click the checkbox here. Next, we'll toggle on Charge for Travel Time, and additional pricing will appear. Here you're going to choose how you will charge for travel time. You can charge by the distance rate or by a flat rate. Here you can choose a certain amount per mile, and you can even include a certain amount of distance for free. So just say you're willing to go 5 miles for free, and anything beyond 5 miles, you're going to be charging $5 per mile. The other option is to select a flat rate, and this rate is going to apply no matter the travel distance. Once you've got that all set, you'll just click Save Changes, and that will now apply to all new bookings for this service.